why a raised to power 0 is equal to 1, how left-hand side is equal to a raised to power 0. Now, a raised to power 0 can be written as a power of 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So, we have a rule, and rule is e per m plus n. We can write it e per m times per n. Here's addition, but when we separate the bases, it will be multiplied. So it will be a raised to power 1 times a raised to power minus 1. Now, if we have a power minus 1, it is equal to 1 by a. So, a were 1, and it worse will be equal to a denominator. So, a divided by a. L divided by a will be equal to 1, which is our right-hand side answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.